Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use InVideo AI for content creation and turn your ideas into consistent, engaging videos for your audience. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Before creating your first video, decide what type of content you want to produce and who you want to reach. Start by choosing a clear content topic. You can create tutorials, educational videos, product content, explainer videos, social media posts, or other types of content depending on your goals. Next, prepare a detailed prompt. Include your topic, target audience, tone, video style, important points, and the type of visuals you want to use. Once your prompt is ready, let InVideo AI generate the initial video. The AI can help create the script, scenes, visuals, narration, subtitles, and other elements. When the video is ready, preview the complete project. Start by reviewing the script and make sure the information is accurate, useful, and easy to understand. Next, check the visuals in every scene. Make sure they match the narration and support the main message. Now review the AI voiceover. Choose a voice that matches your content style and audience. Check the pronunciation, pacing, and overall delivery. You can also customize subtitles and on-screen text. Keep important information short and readable so viewers can follow along easily. Next, review the background music. Choose music that matches the mood of your content and keep the volume low enough that it doesn't interfere with the narration. If you plan to create content regularly, develop a consistent style. Use similar topics, presentation styles, voice choices, and visual elements so your videos feel connected. You can also create different versions of your content for different platforms. For example, a longer video can be adapted into shorter clips for social media. Before publishing, always preview the complete video. Check the script, visuals, narration, subtitles, music, transitions, and overall quality.